Hello, welcome. I am Mehul Gajjar, working as a capacity of General Manager Sales and Marketing in Orange O Tec. We at Orange O Tec offering a complete solution of digital printing machine for textiles. Uh, we have started this business since last 15 years, and during the course of the time, we have innovated and provided the solutions of various types and various technology in field of digital printing for textile. Recently, we have launched our rocket machine supplied by Homer, and it gives a production of around 40 to 50,000 meter per day. So when we talk about this technology, it is going to revolutionize printing for textile in coming days. And lot of our customers in India has already obtained such a machine for their requirement. Apart from digital printing machines in textile, we are also offering a solution for carpet as well. And recently we have launched all product range for carpet printing. So when we talk about the future of printing in textile, of course, the option is only digital printing because it consumes very less resources, and resources like water, steam, and power is very important criteria. And with digital printing machines, you can save a lot of energies and you can get a production as per your requirement, as per your design. Right? You don't use lot of when it compares to the rotary printing machines. You don't use lot of resources as well as water. When we compare the ROI of digital printing machine with rotary, it is almost same. And nowadays, when the ink production or ink consumption is increasing day by day, the overall cost of the digital printing machines will be much more lesser. And for sure, that would be the future of textile industry in coming days. Thank you.